Today's video is a review of two songs, Vybz Kartel's Training Wheel and Alkaline Block and Delete. Alkaline song is on the Toll Road rhythm produced by Jordan for a Chimney record. Again, this is my disclaimer. This is not a comparison of two songs. Both songs came out about the same time, so I decided to do a review on both. Here's a sample of Vybz Kartel's Training Wheel.
Tell Superman get a cape with shield. This a no kryptonite, this a stainless steel. Never mash hands and a be a big speech. For your fog with the cause of the flames increase. Circle the ends but a be a kid's meal. What me just say? So me drive up, could me make my favorite scene. A toddler's ends that a baby scheme. Cairo, when the fuck them feel, you know she said them still a weird training.
This song is on some Wes Craven, Stevie King, Dr. Dre, Compton meets Shatta Gangsta beat tip. You can almost feel death in the air. This is a warning to all Mr. Chatty Mouth, big talk but no action, wannabe gangster. The message is clear, so niggas better take heed. Vybz Kartel once again separates himself as a lyrical wordsmith in dancehall and paints a masterful picture like a gangster Picasso of a possible crime scene filled with death and doom. One that a real gangster would understand, like they say, game recognized game, and one should know what a serious danger warning sounds like. Who don't really know about Vybz Kartel as yet, better ask somebody. Vybz Kartel is as gangster as it gets. He's really about that life. When he talks, you better take it serious like a heart attack. He don't need to call any name. Who the threat is for will understand and take heed. What is understood don't need to be explained, like they say. The wise speaks in parables and the fool run their mouth. Vybz Kartel is basically saying that some people are instigating war but are infants to badness, still wearing training wheels and knee pads. Their mothers still need to monitor them so they don't get hurt. They still need to be under parental guidance. They are young to war, still riding with balance wheels, trying to figure out badness. They are still in training, still experimenting on badness. Vybz Kartel is letting you know that they never kill a ants but have pure gangster speech. What the fuck they feel? This is not Disney World or the land of make-believe. War is real now, they drop out like baby teeth. They fuck with the Gaza where the flames increase. That is the M16 or AK-47 spitting like a fire-breathing dragon. They think that badness is a movie. They playing superhero, Superman with cape and shield, only to realize that this is not kryptonite but flames from steel. Who can't hear will feel. Now they get page and even that page get delete. Vybz Kartel said he rolled up on them in a drive-by to create his favorite scene. But to his surprise, it was like a kiddies nursery, just straight kids meal. It was a toddler's end in a baby scheme. He's disappointed because they kept yapping at the mouth. But when he showed up to create a crime scene, they just started to run and scream like 80 thieves. The second song that I will review is Alkaline's Block and Delete. Alkaline proved once again that he has that natural instinct to pick a song topic and deliver it in a catchy way that the masses can relate. This is a song for the galleys. Here's a sample.
Alright, no link again, but that no mean we have an issue. But just know say if you see me, no see you. No. You get your chance, everybody did that if you know you lose the decal life for me, that give you. Yeah. Lose my number, you can keep the memories with your son when you no get no picture or no video. You shake yourself and know nothing for me, delete you. Said the way me treat the others, so me treat you. All talking done, more guns still have come now. Run nobody down, me rather run you.
This is a warning for all the galleys impaired. Please don't try this stunt or line if you know that you are a one burn and only have a one girl. Because if your pimp game is not built like that, you could end up lonely with your only other option being the Palmer twins. What is even worse is that you could get a Ross box from your solo girl for having the audacity to tell her that you are going to block and delete her when she knows for sure that she's your one and only source for some possible poems. This song is for the real girls who are secure and know that they have their stunner game locked, who have choices in abundance so they can block and delete one if she becomes too stressing. Alkaline is letting her know that she's getting cut from the team because the cons far exceed the pros. She got a run of the good luxury life and she fucked up. So the only option for violating the Playboy law is that she gets shub out, pink slip and receive that exit treatment. She don't have to go home, but she has to get the fuck out of here. She has to recognize that the rules are different when she's dealing with a star versus a layman. A star is not very tolerant and don't deal with stress and disrespect. The violations will lead to instant block and delete. There is no running down any woman like you are running down the bus. You are running her out before you could ever think of running her down. No clown thing. Not pressuring her or telling her what to do. But if she can't stick to the rules and regulations of the galleys management, then she can gladly leave. Hit the road, Jackie. Alkaline is letting her know point blank that she don't have that one and only goal spot. There's many other options that's just as good or even better than hers. And he even have video and picture proof in his phone that would make her hide her face in shame and shock if she saw it. He is letting her know she need not come with that stubborn waste time styling attitude because she will be ignored. No pressure, but she needs to speak up and establish what is on her mind or forever hold her peace. If she is not game with the program, he can move on to plan B to Z and choose from the trailer load of options. But she must know that when she gets blocked and deleted, he will lose her number and the only other thing she will have are memories. These are two sure shot hit songs by two big artists and are expected to be in heavy rotation in dancehall and radio stations locally and internationally. At this channel, I promote music and artists. Once a song has hit potential, I will highlight it. Thanks to the artists and producers for allowing me to use samples of their songs for promotional purposes. It is greatly appreciated. I honor the mutual relationship that we have as creators and promoters. People, this is my review based on my interpretation of the songs. I am not quoting word for word or the sequence and how it was said. It is just my opinion. It could be respectfully different from yours. I can only give mine. There's a comment section where you can say what you think. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.